Hi. Are you eating candy? Did Mommy give you a piece of candy? Yes, I see it in your mouth. Look at those piggy tails. Your hair looks very cute. Did you just have a bath? Hey, Addison, did you just have a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you love taking baths? Yeah. Can you say hi, Grandma? You say hi, Grandma? Too busy with the candy. Say hi, Grandma? Oh, it's kind of hard to talk with candy in your mouth. Maybe I'll come back to you in a little while. Bye-bye. Whoa. Is that your old car seat? You have a baby in it? Okay, I love you. I love you. Bye.